Simple summary. India's solar boom and the hidden waste problem. India has rapidly expanded its use of solar energy and is now the third largest solar power producer in the world. Solar panels are installed in large solar parks and on millions of rooftops across cities, towns, and villages. This growth has helped reduce India's dependence on coal and supports its fight against climate change. However, there is a hidden problem: solar waste. Solar panels usually last about 25 years. After that, they become waste. While solar panels are clean when producing electricity, they can be harmful to the environment if not recycled properly. Panels contain materials like glass and aluminium, but also small amounts of toxic metals such as lead and cadmium, which can pollute soil and water. At present, India has no strong system to manage solar waste. There is no clear data on how much waste exists, and only a few small recycling facilities. Experts estimate that India already had about 100,000 tons of solar waste by 2023, which could rise to 600,000 tons by 2030. By 2047, solar waste could reach 11 million tons. To manage this waste, India would need around 300 recycling plants and large investments. Although India added solar panels to its e-waste rules in 2022, enforcement is weak. Especially for home rooftop panels, which are hard to track and collect. Many damaged or old panels end up in landfills or unsafe recycling centers, where harmful materials can be released into the environment. Experts warn that if India does not act soon, today's clean energy could become tomorrow's waste problem. However, they also say this challenge is an opportunity. Proper recycling could recover valuable materials, reduce pollution, and create new businesses and jobs. In short, solar energy is good. But without proper recycling, it can cause serious environmental problems in the future. Thank you for watching.